If your iPhone is disabled because you have forgotten the passcode and now can't access your device, even iTunes isn't working, how can you unlock your iPhone? Don't worry. In today's video, we will show you 3 methods to unlock iPhone without passcode or iTunes. Method 1. Unlock iPhone with previous password. If you're using an iPhone with iOS 17 or a later version and have recently changed your passcode, this method can help you. When you enter your passcode incorrectly too many times, there will be an option to reset your iPhone in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap Forgot Passcode. You can use your previous passcode to sign in to your iPhone temporarily for 72 hours. When you sign into your iPhone this way, you must immediately change your passcode again. Otherwise, you'll have to reset your iPhone, which will result in the loss of your data. Method 2. Unlock iPhone via iCloud. There is another way to unlock iPhone without passcode or iTunes, and that is using iCloud. Note, this method requires you to have turned on Find My iPhone on your device. Step 1. Go to iCloud. Common log in with your Apple ID. Step 2. Then select Find My iPhone from the displayed options and click All Devices. Step 3. Choose the iPhone you want to unlock and click Erase iPhone. Step 4. Wait for some time, and your iPhone will be unlocked. Method 3. Unlock with AnyUnlock in one click. If you want to save time and effort, AnyUnlock is your best choice. AnyUnlock is a professional iOS unlocker that can unlock your iPhone without a passcode or iTunes with one click. Additionally, it can remove other iOS locks such as Apple ID, MDM restrictions, iCloud activation lock, and SIM lock. First, open AnyUnlock on your PC/Mac and click Unlock Screen Passcode. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and click Start Now. Now, select a download location and click the download button to download the iOS firmware. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. Then AnyUnlock will unlock the screen passcode automatically. Please do not disconnect your device until it restarts. Finally, when the process is completed, you will see the screen passcode removed successfully interface, and now you can get into the disabled iPhone. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.